big breaking news coming in. Sources now say that Mumbai police has now initiated the process of dismissing from service suspended cop Sachin Vaze, arrested by the NIA in the case of an explosive-laden SUV found near industrialist Mukesh Ambani's residence and the murder of businessman Mansukh Hiren as well. Now, the city police's special branch has recently written to the Maharashtra Anti-Terrorism Squad and sought documents pertaining to the case as well. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Alisha as well, joining us over the phone line. Alisha, this is certainly a big news coming in of sources now indicating that Mumbai police has initiated the process of dismissing from service suspended cop that is Sachin Vaze. Please share more.
देखिए, बिल्कुल हम देख रहे हैं कि मुंबई पुलिस की ओर से अब जो है एक सचिन वाजे जो कि ऑलरेडी एक सस्पेंडेड कॉप है और एनआईए में चल रहे हैं, जहां पर वो गिरफ्तार किए गए थे और अभी फिलहाल जुडिशियल कस्टडी में है। वहीं पर मुंबई पुलिस की ओर से ये प्रोसेस इनिशिएट किया जा रहा है कि सचिन वाजे को पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट से ही डिसमिस किया जाए। ये इन सारी चीजों को देखते हुए खुद जो है मुंबई पुलिस की ओर से स्पेशल ब्रांच की ओर से लेटर लिखा गया है महाराष्ट्र एटीएस को, जहां पर ये मांग की गई है कि इसके रिलेटेड जो केस के रिलेटेड जितने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं वो मुंबई पुलिस को दे, ताकि काफी सिंपल पड़ेगा एक कहीं ना कहीं पर जो है जिस प्रोसेस पर चल रही है कि सचिन वाजे को उनके अपने सर्विस से ही डिसमिस कर किया जाए और इसी प्रोसेस पर कहीं ना कहीं जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है इस पूरे मामले को लेकर, इस पूरे केस से जुड़े जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स है वो इम्पोर्टेंटली कहीं ना कहीं एक तरफ इस प्रोसेस के लिए और खासतौर पर ऑन रिकॉर्ड दिखाने के लिए, जहां पर सचिन वाजे पर अब जहां पर डिसमिस करने के लिए जो प्रोसेस की जा रही, जो इनिशिएट की जा रही है, उसके लिए काफी अहम डॉक्यूमेंट है। और वहीं पर एक लेटर भी खुद मुंबई पुलिस की ओर से लिखा गया है महाराष्ट्र एटीएस को इस केस से जुड़े जितने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं वो देने के लिए। जी,
In fact, Alisha, if we are reading out from that, the information that we have gathered so far is that they are collecting the documents relating to Sachin Vaze as well, and the special branch have recently also initiated the process of dismissing Sachin Vaze under Article 311 of the Constitution. If you can also share more light on that and what will be the process of dismissing him from service. All right, before that, let's go across to my colleague Priyanka as well, joining us. Priyanka, this is certainly a big news coming in of our sources now indicating as to how the Mumbai police has initiated the process of dismissing from service suspended cop Sachin Vaze.
Well, yes, in fact, we had been questioning as to why Sachin Vaze was reinstated in the police force in the first place. And of course, it was clear from this entire investigation that there was some kind of leeway that Parambir Singh had actually given to Sachin Vaze. But now, as you rightly pointed out, the Maharashtra police is now carrying out the procedure for actually dismissing him from the entire police force itself. It's a huge development because remember, Sachin Vaze was at the epicenter.
All right, stay with us, Priyanka. We are also joined by the former UP DGP Vikram Singh over the phone line. Sir, this is a big news coming in after much speculation as well. We are seeing as to how sources indicating that the Mumbai police has initiated the process of dismissing from service suspended cop Sachin Vaze. Your reaction to this, sir?
Well, I would say that this is too little coming too late. He should have been dismissed from service from day one itself. And why did they not do it? Perhaps they had their own compulsions. This should have come on the first day itself when the incriminating material came before the world and he brought indignity and shame to the uniform and the great Maharashtra and Mumbai police. Why they did not do it? Because of the political compulsions. Whatever the reasons, better late than never. And I would say that it is not just Sachin Vaze. The whole gang needs to be dismissed and put behind bars.
Mr. Vikram Singh, if you can also help us understand the entire process. We are also getting information that the special branch has sought similar information from the NIA as well as the ATS relating to the documents of the suspended cop Sachin Vaze, and they have also stated that they're dismissing the process is under Article 311 of the Constitution.
Article 311 was very much there even a year ago. They should have invoked the provisions of dismissal from service and also sending him to jail. They also have Makoka. Makoka is meant for police officers and the delinquent ones at that. And they should also, my strong recommendation to the Maharashtra police would be, invoke the provisions of the Makoka and Article 311 Constitution for summary dismissal without inquiry. Just in public interest and national interest, these officers, Sachin Vaze Riaz and others, everybody who is complicit in this horrible conspiracy that has brought disgrace and indignity to the department, they should be put behind bars and summarily dismissed. And I've been saying this on your channel and other channels for as long as I can remember. Every day that they delay this, they're doing a disservice to themselves and to the Maharashtra police.
All right, thank you so much, Vikram Singh, for joining us here. We'll also go across to Atul Bhatkalkar joining us over the phone line. Atul Bhatkalkar, this is certainly a big news coming in of the Mumbai police. Sources indicating that the Mumbai police has now initiated the process of dismissing the suspended cop Sachin Vaze from his services.
This is a big news, but the government of Maharashtra should have done this much earlier. In fact, when we demanded on the floor of the House, that time Chief Minister defended Sachin Vaze because Chief Minister is the person who reinstated Sachin Vaze. And so now Uddhav Thackeray should explain to the people of Maharashtra the person whom he reinstated despite one FIR of extortion against him. Then not only he reinstated him, he has given him very prime posting, flouting all rules and regulations. Then, when opposition, Devendra Fadnavis, leveled allegations with proof, at that time on the floor of the House, Chief Minister defended him. And now, why Chief Minister is sacking him? That has to be explained by Chief Minister. Otherwise, people is already thinking, but now they are confirmed that the real person behind Vaze is nobody else but Chief Minister of Uddhav Thackeray.
But Atul Bhatkalkar, your reaction, do you think that the Mumbai police is now headed in the right direction with their own investigation? Because much has been said about all that has been happening within the Mumbai police in the past 1 year or so. Do you think that they're headed in the right direction now that they've initiated the process of dismissing Sachin Vaze from service?
I will term this too little too late, basically. And so, might have direction may be right, but basically they are doing this because of NIA investigation and sustained pressure from opposition, BJP, from our side. And that's why it is too little too late. But I hope that they will continue to work in this direction and they will gather the pace in coming times.
All right, thank you so much, Atul Bhatkalkar of the BJP joining us here on Republic TV. Certainly a big news coming in of the Mumbai police that has now initiated the process of dismissing from the service suspended cop Sachin Vaze, arrested by the NIA in the cases of explosive-laden SUV found near industrialist Mukesh Ambani's residence.